Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back. It's Steve. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, please. I appreciate you all. Welcome to unboxing number 2 this week. I just did an unboxing of one of a cool Funko Pop my brother had just got me. And today I'm going to unbox a new on-camera microphone that I purchased. So I just bought the Rode VideoMic Pro, as you see right here. For the past year and a half, with my Sony a7 III and my Canon M50 before it, I have been using the Rode, the Rode Video Micro, as you see right here. So every video you see that I've recorded with one of my mirrorless cameras, I've been using the Video Micro. Here I'm just using my Logitech 4K webcam. So it was actually on sale for $80 off. I wasn't in the market for a new microphone, but they're usually $230 and it was only $150. So I figured, why not upgrade? So I could still use both. Let's get to the unboxing. Put that down. So here's the VideoMic Pro. You know, standard Rode boxing. It comes with the microphone, 10-year warranty, integrated suspension, and it says over 70-hour battery life, but I know you need 9-volt batteries, which I actually don't mind. I know the microphones don't use a lot of your camera battery when they're plugged in, but I actually don't mind having dedicated battery for it. So it says over 70 hours battery life, and then it has plus 20 decibel level boost, which I'm going to do a video, I think tonight, with Bin Dong. I'm going to ask him some questions about this microphone. So let's just get to it. Get my razor. And let's see what we got. All right. Open this up. All right, box on the floor. Now we just have the plastic. Let's get this open. I guess these are the instructions right here. Yeah, the quick start guide. Right there. It actually has a guide on mic on, mic off, flat. I think it's, yeah, those are some of the filters and the decibel switches. So we have this right there. So I could use that to check out any information, but I would much rather ask Bin Dong since he's been using this mic for a long time. And here it is. Beautiful. Oh, here's the cable. I was going to say, I don't think it came with the cable, but it's actually tucked in there. I was going to say, let me try to get this out. And they're pretty good, but here it is. All right. So we're all good. Got the cool VideoMic Pro. And for comparison, the Video Micro, you can see it's a lot smaller. Weird thing, this one is not that much heavier than this. That's crazy. This is really, really light. This one comes with a dead cat. It's over there. I don't feel like grabbing it. Oh, you know what? What the hell? I'll grab it. The Micro came with a dead cat filter, so this goes right over it. So if you use the microphone outside, it blocks out some of the wind. Put that back. The VideoMic Pro comes with foam on top of the microphone, and I'm not going to pull this off. But I think it's different than having a dead cat. I think you can actually buy a dead cat for this as well. So yeah, this has the on-off switch and the decibel switch right there in the back. Which, like I said, I'm going to get more information probably tonight with my friend Bin Dong on a new video. It'll probably be up on his channel because I'll be like asking him the questions. I'm not quite sure where the battery goes. I'm assuming on the bottom, but I'll do that later. The one thing I could tell you is when I use my Sony a7 III, with my 4K monitor on top, on the top hot shoe. The Video Micro fits perfectly like on the side hot shoe because I have an adapter, and it barely fits. So when I use my monitor, I don't think I'm going to be able to use this microphone with it. So I'm going to have to set it up and kind of get myself in frame before I start the video, unless I could buy another adapter to get the monitor to be a little bit higher. But so that's about it. Here it is, the Rode VideoMic Pro. Pretty sweet, lightweight, both switches on the back, the on off and the decibel level. And as of December 13th, 2021, this is $80 off at Best Buy. That's where I bought it over the weekend. So the Rode VideoMic Pro, normally $230, I picked up for $150. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. If you own this mic, let me know what you think about it in the comments. If you own multiple Rodes, let me know what you think is the best. And yeah, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll talk to you on the next unboxing video. Peace, guys.